Hi, I'm Papa Shorty from Papa Shorty's RC, and I'm here today with URGENEX to talk about their 2200 milliamp 2S Lipo battery. Let's get on the overhead, see what we're working with. Let's see what we get in the box. We get our thank you card and 2 batteries. You also receive a user's manual. If you don't have a lot of experience with Lipo batteries, I do recommend you give it a once over. And even if you do, reading over a user's manual once in a while doesn't hurt. So inside the box you will get 2 2200 milliamp Lipo 2S batteries. They're a 50C discharge rating. They'll both have the XT60 plug. Each battery weighs 88.3 grams or 3.11 ounces. The dimensions of the battery are 70 millimeters by 34 by 17. So let's get this battery in this rig to see how well it performs. Most of today's trip was light trailing, with the occasional obstacle in the way. This battery will give you enough power to move your tent scale at a good walking pace. Regardless of the extra weight, the battery gave me a good 50 minutes of runtime. I was out on the trails from 9:50 in the morning till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. When I returned, I still had 20% left on my second pack. So if you're interested in these batteries or any other batteries in the URGENEX family, there'll be a link in the description below. Have a great day.